how to make a 2 treble crochet cluster. Now I've got tutorials on clusters. I've done several of them. I just realized I haven't done the 2 treble crochet cluster. So here's some trebles. Trebles, if you recall, are 2 yarn overs, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 times to make a treble. There we go, like that. Now the cluster, like the other clusters I've done before, are incomplete stitches. So we're going to do 2 incomplete trebles and close them off together. So we start with the 2 yarn overs, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 only twice, and we stop. Yarn over twice again, start another treble in the same spot, or gap or stitch, whatever your pattern tells you to do. And there's my second incomplete treble. Now I've got 3 loops on the hook, the original loop plus 2 loops, one from each of the incomplete trebles. Then you just yarn over and pull through all, and you've completed a 2 treble crochet cluster. Let me do that again. I'll just give myself a chain and some space and move over. So I'll skip one. Now we start 2 yarn overs for the treble, come into the stitch or the space, depends on what your pattern's telling you. There's 1 incomplete treble. My last action should be the final yarn over, pull through 2, but I'm not going to do it. 2 more yarn overs, back in there, 1 and 2, and stop. Yarn over, pull through all 3. And that's another 2 treble crochet cluster, as opposed to the 2 double crochet clusters. And you can do this with 2 and 3 and 4, whatever your pattern dictates, but it's very easy to do. One more. 1 incomplete treble, a second incomplete treble, yarn over, pull through all 3 to close it, and there it is, it's done. And then of course you need to know whatever else your pattern is telling you to do around that stitch. So always pay attention to the pattern. This is just the technique for a 2 treble crochet pattern. Bye for now.